Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to use ClickFunnels to build sales funnels in 2026. Step by step, from absolute basics to a complete working funnel. This video is for beginners who've never built a funnel before, business owners tired of sending traffic to random pages, affiliate marketers, coaches, or digital product sellers. Anyone who wants structured conversions, not guesswork. This is a full walkthrough, not a surface level overview. So take your time and let's get started. Part 1. What ClickFunnels really is and what it is not. Before touching the software, you need the right mental model, right? ClickFunnels is not just a website builder or just a landing page tool or just for quote unquote gurus. ClickFunnels is a conversion system, right? It controls what people see, what they do next, and when they see offers and how they move toward buying. A funnel replaces chaos with intention. Part 2. Why funnels matter more in 2026. In 2026, attention is expensive. Sending traffic to homepages, random blog posts, generic product pages kill conversions. Funnels work because they remove distractions, guide decisions, control timing, or increase average order value. Okay? The more expensive ads get, the more funnels matter. Part 3. Or step 3, understanding funnel types. Very important. Before building, you must choose the right funnel. Common funnel types: lead generation funnels, sales page funnels, webinar funnels, product launch funnels, and affiliate funnels. Okay, there's also webinar funnels. For beginners, the sales funnel is the best place to start. Simple goal: turn traffic into customers. Step 4, creating your ClickFunnels account and dashboard overview. What you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and hit try for free, enter your email and everything, and they will ask you, of course, for your credit card or debit card for a free trial. So, if you liked ClickFunnels features and you really got used to the tool, you can go ahead and start paying up from after 14 days of free trial. Okay, and once inside ClickFunnels, you'll see funnel section, template, pages, analytics, integrations. Okay, don't get overwhelmed. You will spend 80% of your time in funnel builder, page editor. Everything else supports it. Okay, so step 5, building your first funnel step by step. Click create funnel in the funnels, the first option in the left hand menu. Okay, and what you're gonna do, you can channel the funnel goal, right? Is it to sell a product or funnel type like sales? ClickFunnels will suggest templates. Okay, so you can see right here the lead funnels, lead squeeze funnel. Use curiosity to generate leads with this simple 2-page funnel, right? You can also scroll a little bit down and find challenge funnel, book funnel, video sales letter funnel, webinar funnel, etc., right? Or if you're in sales, product launch funnel. You can go ahead and select your funnel, okay? And just choose something simple. Design doesn't convert, clarify does. Step 6, understanding funnel pages structure. Okay, a basic funnel includes opt-in page, which is optional, sales page, order page, upsell, downsell page, and thank you page. Right, you don't need all of them on day one. Start with sales page, order page, thank you page, or in our case, opt-in page, thank you page, launch pages, order page, confirmation. Okay, and you can browse templates here, suggested templates to select from. All right, and let's say I want to use this funnel. Okay, and they're now installing the new funnel. Okay, and once inside, you're gonna be able to edit the page, right? Focus on headline, subheadline, hero section, benefits, social proof, call to action. Your headline should answer what problem does this solve. Okay, hit customize. If And for who? Avoid hype. Clarity beats cleverness. Okay. Step 8. Structuring sales page copy that converts. Use this simple structure if you're in the sales page. Call out the problem, agitate it, introduce the solution, explain benefits, handle objections, show proof, ask for the sale. ClickFunnels gives you layout. You provide strategy. Step 9. Setting up the order page correctly. Okay. On the order page, keep it clean, remove distractions, ask only for necessary info. Enable order bumps, guarantees, trust badges. Order bumps alone can increase revenue by 20 to 40%. Okay? Step 10, upsells and downsells, where the real money is made. Okay? This is where funnels shine. After purchase, offer a relevant upgrade, right? One click, all right? No re-entering payment info. Keep upsells related, simple, and clearly beneficial. Okay? Never overwhelm. Step 11, integrations like payments, email tracking. Connect Stripe or PayPal, email autoresponder, tracking pixels. If ClickFunnels can't track conversions, optimization becomes blind. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Integrations are boring but critical. Step 12, traffic sources that work best with ClickFunnels. Funnels don't create traffic, right? Best sources in 2026: Meta Ads, Google Ads, YouTube, email lists like MailChimp. Never send cold traffic to complex funnels. Match traffic temperature to the funnel depth. Step 13, testing and optimization funnels. Most people skip this. Most funnels fail because they're never optimized. Test headlines, button text, page length, offers. One small change can double conversions. Funnels are built, then refine. You can go ahead and see the live or the preview of the page. So you can go ahead and click preview and see you can click the buttons that you provided, and and see if it works, if it's activated. All right. Step 14. Avoid over designing pages. Too many steps, too many offers, no clear CTA, or ignoring mobile users. Simple funnels scale. This is the most common mistake that you should avoid. Okay. Let's talk about expectations with ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels doesn't guarantee sales or replace strategy or fix bad offers. It amplifies whatever you bring into it. Strong offer plus funnel equals leverage. Using ClickFunnels for sales funnels in 2026 is about control. You control the message, the journey, the decision. When used correctly, funnels stop traffic from being wasted and start turning it into predictable revenue. If this complete walkthrough helped you, like the video, subscribe, and comment below if you want a full funnel example built live from scratch. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.